Hey guys, it's V here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been about 5 months since I last uploaded and I apologize. I mean, life got in the way. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me video. So if you're interested in how I got this look, then be sure to keep on watching because this is an interesting one. Okay, so since it is New Year's Eve, I decided to put a little twist on my get ready with me. And so it's gonna be a get ready and drink with me. I'm 21 for the record, so I'm allowed to drink. This is something you shouldn't do unless you're of age or your parents say it's okay. How am I gonna do this? Do we wanna do shots or a drink? I don't know. I think I'm gonna start with shots to get it going and then I'll mix myself a drink after. Ooh. Drinking tip, don't ever smell your shot. It's not good. I'm gonna start by moisturizing. Put that all over my face. I broke out a lot this year, which really sucks, but oily skin problems. I'm gonna just do my eyebrows real quick. And we could talk, let's talk, because that's what get ready with me's are all about. Does that make sense? Where have I been for the past 5 months? Home, doing not much. You know, after starting the whole YouTube thing, I just really started thinking and, you know, I needed something to set me apart from other beauty gurus on YouTube because I wanted to be successful. And so I took the 5 months to really get to know myself makeup wise and kind of figure out what makes me different. And so I figured some stuff out. So what is it that sets me apart from other beauty gurus on YouTube? Well, for starters, I'm brown. So that's amazing. I don't live in LA, I live in Canada. So things are more expensive here. You know, the James Charles palette, this bad boy, it was not $40. It was actually $60. Welcome to Canada. Majority of the beauty gurus I watch are based in LA or Texas or the UK. So I'm Canadian. Another reason I decided to take a break from YouTube is because I never really wanted to do YouTube. I kind of wanted to just stick to Instagram because that was just a platform I was more familiar with. But you know, everybody was like, oh, we want to see a tutorial, we want to see a tutorial. And so I did it.
And I didn't like it.
So, you know, during my 5-month hiatus, I really thought about the content that I did want to put out. I wanted to do more get ready with me videos than tutorials because it's just easier for me to sit here and talk to myself because that's YouTube. Just talking to yourself, which other people will then watch. Wow. Please subscribe to my channel. So why am I spending New Year's Eve alone? I don't know. You know, I got invited to a couple of places. I wasn't really feeling like going anywhere anyways, but a friend of mine was gonna throw a party, but then he got the flu. So, you know, now I'm home. So yeah, here I am. What are you guys doing for New Year's Eve? Let me know in the comments so I know what to do next year. So, now that that's done, I'm going to prime my lids. But before we do that, let's take a shot. So, I don't know what I'm supposed to talk about in Get Ready With Me videos. I've watched, but people only do them when they have updates. I don't have any updates because I haven't done anything with my life at all. So, I mean, what do you want to know? Anything. Just ask. So, to prime my lids, I like to go in with a foundation. A lot of people use concealer, but I mean, it's called the stay in place makeup. It stays in place, so I don't mind it.
Prime, prime, prime.
Nowhere. I'm not going anywhere. I'm literally dressing up to go lay back in my bed. So, what to look forward to in the new year? I don't know. I'm probably going to do more videos, but I'm not entirely sure because my setup alone takes a lot of energy and I don't always have that energy. So today I'm going to be using this pretty rich Too Faced palette. So like I was saying, I don't know what I'm supposed to talk about during these videos. So talk to me. What's new? What's happening? I'm also going to be actually going in with the James Charles palette. This is the shade Code James. And I'm literally just packing that on and blending it out up to like my eyebrow-ish area. I'm just gonna attempt to blend this out with a clean brush just because I can't tell if it's blended. I really don't know. Does it look blended? Probably. I mean, it's all the way in my eyebrows at this point. So I've blown this out of the water. 100%. I feel like this is fine. I hope. It's time for another shot. I'm gonna regret this. But
it's New Year's Eve, bitch.
This was a bad idea. Cheers. So, I'm gonna take another fluffy brush and I'm gonna go into Benny because that's a nice color. And I'm going to just kind of put this in the same place. Just not as high up. I'm not gonna blow it out as much. There's like a crazy harsh line and I don't know why. Yeah.
Mom! It's nobody's birthday!
So now I'm gonna go in with the pretty rich palette. I'm going in with the blue Set the Jewel tone color. I'm going to use this, I don't know what it's called, but it's, look at it, looks like that. You know, so use one of those. I'm going to literally put that on my entire lid. Kind of loving it. It looks better when your whole face is done. That's how eyeshadow is. It always looks like super murked, but you get that face done. I'm gonna go in with the black. I'm just going to put that in the outer corner. So that looks decent. I can live with it. It's time for another shot. Cheers. So I'm just gonna spritz that and pick up one of the toppers. And I'm really just going to, is this doing anything? We're gonna go with it. Going to prime my face. I don't remember what we were talking about, so I can't continue that conversation. I'm gonna clean up my brows now with Fenty Beauty. You know what else I liked about 2018? I loved the Vogue Beauty Secret series. Absolutely loved it. I not only loved seeing some of my favorite celebrities, I loved seeing their bathrooms. Is that weird? Maybe. So how did I get the name Beat the Face by V? I was asked that question during the time that I wanted to do a Q&A, but I never did it, so let me answer it now. This is how I got the name. I beat with a force. It just looks better, I think. And it's fun. It's fun to beat people. Now, I don't take my foundation down to my neck just because I gained a lot of weight and so now I have a double chin, and so I contour down to my neck instead. Do I plan to lose weight in 2019? Yes. Am I going to? I hope so. But have I said that before? All the time. All through 2018 I said I'm gonna lose weight and I didn't. So we can only hope. I just haven't been motivated to go to the gym. I'm pretty okay. It doesn't really bother me, but apparently it bothers everybody else. So, you know, I don't know, we'll see. I do want to because I'm tired of people telling me that I gained weight. But at the same time, I just don't really care. We'll really try. We'll put in the effort and we'll see where it goes because this is not always so attractive. It's not, but you know, this makeup look looks good to me. It might look atrocious later, you know, when I sober up. But right now, I'm digging it. Time for another shot. Am I feeling these shots? Hell yes. Am I gonna stop? Probably not. You know, it's just, I'm sad, so I'm dealing with my grief. Shit, that's not okay. Fuck. Oh. That looks horrible. I'm too turned for this. I'm just taking my beauty blender and just running it around the contour just to blend out the edges, just because there's a lot of contouring going on. Does it look amazing? No. Am I gonna leave it? Yeah, because what can I do? Not much. This probably looks so hideous, but I'll never know. So before we move on, I think it's time for another shot. Crown Royal, if you want to sponsor me, let me know because I literally love you. So, cheers to that. So for lashes today, I'm going to be using Lashed by TD, and literally love them. They're my favorite lashes. Aruna is my favorite all time, like by far. It's my favorite. I bought all 4 of the styles and Aruna is by far my favorite. Today I'm going to be using Divya. And because it's New Year's, we do want to blind, even though we ain't going no way. My hair is an absolute mess, but we're gonna go with it because, you know, we're not going anywhere, so there's no point in me spending time to do my hair. Is my hair a mess? Yes, but like I said, we're not going anywhere. So 2019 starts in a couple of hours and I'm so excited for the new year. Amazing things are coming, I hope. And for that, we deserve a cheers. Now, I know you guys probably anticipated that I'm gonna be drunk, completely drunk out of my mind. No. Am I a little turned? Hell yes. I mean, I had fun. This was fun. This was really fun. I really enjoyed this. I loved being able to drink on camera. So, you know, yeah. If you guys liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment. Also follow me on Instagram at beatdafacebyvee. I post a lot more on there than I do on YouTube. You can also check me out on Twitter and Facebook and also Snapchat if you want. But yeah, this is really it. This is all I have for you. It does look really good, don't lie. So from Jaeger and I, we wish you guys a happy new year and may you guys be blessed with amazing things and success and literally everything amazing in the new year. And yeah, we look forward to seeing you guys again. Cheers to 2019, to bigger and better things. Oh, that is so bad. I gotta find a new drink to like. Okay, so that's about it. So don't forget to keep it lit and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.